Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not been on YouTube in quite a bit, but yesterday I did go ahead and hit Chanel and made a really big purchase for myself. It's been a crazy year with COVID and everything going on in the world, and so I decided to go ahead and purchase something in boutique from Chanel. So I got in contact with my SA Mary at the Palm Beach boutique and asked her for this bag, and she wasn't sure she could get it with the hardware that I wanted. And then I got a text yesterday that she was able to get it in, and I hauled butt, got down to Palm Beach and got my bag. So this is going to be, I saw it in store, but I did not unbox it yet that I've been home. But I thought I'd do it on camera and just put it out there so other people can see. So here we go. Of course, I have my receipt. Her information's in here. She's absolutely awesome, Mary. Down in Palm Beach, if you're this way or need a good essay, she's fabulous. I love the ribbon. And let's see if I can get this open a bit, maybe, possibly. Oh. There we go, loosen it a bit. Hopefully you guys can still see. Ta-da! Oh, it's just so pretty. The prettiest box. I just love it. I just love Chanel and the packaging. Absolutely beautiful. I have to move for a second. Love, 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 love. All right. So, sorry, moving you guys a little bit. All right. So this is my first in boutique purchase. So it really meant a lot to me. And let me go ahead. She did it so beautifully. Oh my God. Here, let me do this. Sorry guys, I just want to do another pick. Thanks. All right, there we go. All right, oops, sorry. I lost my stand for my phone recording, which kind of stinks. I think my daughter took it. All right, here we go. I guess I have to totally unwrap. Beautiful ribbon, so pretty. I hate on doing this stuff. All right. Oops, sorry. Let me see, when I get my kid to wake up, I'm gonna be like, where is my stand? Okay, sorry about that. But I had to. All right, so here we go. My big reveal. Da-da-da. Oh, she's so pretty. And of course we have the white tissue paper with the beautiful Chanel sticker on it there. Love. All right, here we go. I'm going to hopefully gently do this as I can. Trying not, there we go. Oh, I ripped it a little. There we go. Oh, now I got it off, man. All right. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God. Okay, so as I'm opening it, first thing I see, the dust bag is there. Beautiful. Great. Black dust bag. Very nice. Then, as we get into the package, I have the bag, and you can already kind of maybe guess what it is with this beautiful strap, the hardware there. To gently again try to get this off here. I know it's not really a big deal, but it's just like, oh, you'd like to keep it as pretty as it came. I don't know why. It's just one of those things, you know? I guess you only live once. You should just enjoy and rip the paper, right? And so here we go. Get this off, hopefully. There we go. I didn't do it too bad. Oh, ta-da. This paper off here. And she has this felt piece on top to kind of protect her love. Beautiful. And this is my 2021 boy bag in the old medium size caviar H Gold hardware. Brand spanking new. Absolutely love. That's what I wanted, was the H Gold, the black caviar. I had seen a lot pre-loved that were lambskin, but I have a lambskin bag and I'm always so scared to use it. So I figured the caviar, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited to have her in my collection. And I just wanted to share that all with you. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tidbit into my shopping fun. And I hope everybody's doing well. And I will hopefully be in touch with you all soon. Bye, guys.